Good morning, student. Today we continue the next topic of our chapter number 11, marketing. Topic name is branding. Today the topic is about branding. Why branding is necessary? पहले product name, जैसे Maggi. Okay, Maggi is a product name, but Nestle is its branding. Silk chocolate, that is a product name, but Cadbury is its branding. अब यहाँ पर ब्रांड नेम, ब्रांड, प्रोडक्ट नेम एंड ब्रांड मार्क एंड द ट्रेड मार्क, दीज आर द मेजर फैक्टर और एलिमेंट ऑफ अ ब्रांडिंग. नाउ सी द व्हाट इज ब्रांडिंग. One of the most important decisions that marketer has to take in the area of product is in respect of branding. He has to decide whether the firm's product will be marketed under a brand name or a generic name. Generic name refers to the name of the whole class of a product. Just like wrist watch. अगर watch की बात करें, that is a generic name. I have to buy a wrist watch. That is a generic name. But if a person is identify that he has to buy the fast track wrist watch, that is a brand product name and under a brand name. So tire, camera, toilet safe, these are called brand name. These are called generic name, sorry. Because if I am called it a marker, then marker is a generic name. But if I am asking about the Cello company marker, that is a brand name. We know that a camera is a lens surrounded by a plastic steel from all sides having a certain other features such as flash gun and so on. Similarly, book is a bunch of papers and thus all products having these characteristics would be called by the generic names such as called camera and a book. We have a lot of camera. सभी को ही कैमरा बोलेंगे, चाहे वो डिजिटल है, क्या वो HD है या वो HD है. तो एक ही तरीके से उसको कैमरा, उसका एक जेनेरिक नेम दे दिया गया. बट इफ यू आर कॉल्ड दैट सोनी हैंडीकैम, दैट सोनी हैंडीकैम इज अ ब्रांड नेम. नाउ दिस प्रोसेस इज गिविंग अ नेम और अ साइन और अ सिंबल टू अ प्रोडक्ट इज कॉल्ड ब्रांडिंग. इफ this kind of sign is there, so which kind of beverage is that? That is Pepsi. Okay, if this sign is there, look at this, my sign drawing is not so good, so the thumb sign is there, thumbs in sign, that means this beverage is called as thumbs up. Okay, so sometimes this kind of sign, okay, identify the product easily. Why it is necessary? Because the sign can easily recommended, easily identifiable by if a person is illiterate or person is not able to read that particular language. You know that in a market there are lot of Lay's chips and its variety are there. Okay, every chips is coming in the same color of packet? No. They make the different colors of the packet so that the one who can't read and write can identify the product by its color. Second thing, if we are discussing about the potato chips, that is a generic name of Uncle Chips के बारे में बात करें, that the product color is blue. Okay, if we are asking about the Lay's, then simple salted come in yellow color, Spanish come in red color, and American come in, that is the color of green. Okay, that's why they are giving that different color scheme so that it can identify easily. Okay, now come to the topic, that is our branding. The first element is related to branding is brand. Brand is a name, term, sign, symbol, design or some combination which used to identify the product, goods or services of one seller or a group of seller and to differentiate them those of the competitors. एक अपने प्रोडक्ट को कॉम्पिटिटर से अलग करने के लिए भी they use different color scheme or different product designing. Now there are two components. The first one is brand name and the other one is brand mark. जैसे Asian Paints has a symbol of Gattu on its back which is a brand mark. Gattu that means एक लड़का खड़ा होता है पेंट ब्रश लेके, उसको करेक्टर का नाम दिया गया है Gattu. So next is brand name. The part of the brand which can be spoken is called brand name. In other words, brand name is a verbal component for brand. For example, Asian Paints, Saffola, Maggie, Lifebuoy, Dunlop, Uncle Chips are the brand name. जब एक particular चीज का name दिया जाता है, that is called brand name. Brand mark, the part of the brand which can be recognized by which it not utterable to called a brand mark. It design distinct color scheme as you told earlier, as I told earlier, color scheme also, and lettering. For example, the Gattu of Asian Paints or Devil of Oneida, and symbol of Yorkshire of LIC. Okay, Yorkshire that means आपने देखा होगा इस तरीके से दो हैंड्स बने होते हैं और हैंड के बीच में इस तरीके से दिया जला देता है. दिस इज द साइन ऑफ यॉर्कशियर. ओके, तो ये LIC का है. एंड 4 फिंगर्स एंड अ पाम ऑफ एनासिन आर द ब्रांड मार्क. नाउ कम टू ट्रेडमार्क. A brand or a part of a brand that is given the legal protection under the trademark. The protection gives against the user by the use. Thus, the firm which has got its brand registered get the exclusive rights for its use. In that case, no firm can use such mark or name in the country. So that no one can use your name. If someone is doing so, then you can sue a case against them. आपने देखा होगा कई बार आप कुछ प्रोडक्ट लेके आते हैं, उसमें प्रोडक्ट का नाम लिखा होता है, तो देयर इज अ आर सिंबल एंड इट्स सर्कल. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड रजिस्टर्ड. लुक एट द मार्कर. इफ यू आर सीन दैट देयर इज लिखा है यहाँ पर सेलो, रीड फिलेबल, वाइट मेट, वाइट बोर्ड मार्कर, एंड दैट इज आर इज सिंबलाइज हेयर. आर सिंबलाइज कैसे? अभी किसी भी प्रोडक्ट के नाम के ऊपर, मैं तो काफी बड़ा सिंबल बना रहा हूं, होता छोटा सा है, इस तरीके से सर्कल में आर होता है. इस आर का नाम होता है, दैट मीन्स दैट इज द रजिस्टर्ड नेम. नो वन कैन यूज दिस काइंड ऑफ नेम ऑफ हिज प्रोडक्ट. अगर वो रखता है इस तरीके से अपने नाम के, देन द कंपनी कैन sue a case against him or the offender and it is a punishable crime. Advantages to the marketer. मार्केटर को ब्रांडिंग के क्या क्या फायदे रहते हैं, क्या क्या एडवांटेजेस हैं? एनेबल मार्किंग प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन. प्रोडक्ट को अलग करने के लिए अपने कॉम्पिटिटर से ब्रांडिंग की ज़रूरत होती है. इट ऑल्सो हेल्प इन एडवर्टाइजिंग एंड डिस्प्ले द प्रोग्राम्स. विदाउट अ ब्रांड नेम द advertiser can only create awareness for the generic product but can never be sure for the sale of this product. क्योंकि उसने बता दिया, नूडल्स के बारे में बता दिया, नूडल्स की ऐड हुई, तो अब नूडल्स के बारे में yippee नूडल्स भी आते हैं ITC के और नूडल्स मैगी के भी आते हैं, तो वो बाहर जाकर वो नूडल्स का नाम लेगा. लेकिन अगर प्रोडक्ट नेम से एडवर्टीजमेंट आती है तो एक नाम होता है कि हाँ भाई मैगी खरीदनी है. Differentiate pricing. Differentiate pricing is also used by the competitors to attract the customers, because sometimes the customer is give the priority to the price in case of brand. Ease in introduction of new product. When your product is totally established brand is there, मान लीजिए फास्ट ट्रैक कंपनी ही है कोई, अगर फास्ट ट्रैक कंपनी is launching a new design of watch, then no one is asking about the quality, no one is asking about the warranty, they only go and purchase it because it is of particular company. On the other hand, if one person is giving a same design of a product, copy of a product, but it is not of that particular company but the design is same, then you will asking about the warranty and guarantee of that product because you are not familiar with the brand. When we are familiar with the brand, then the person is not asking about the quality of the product and he can blind fade on that particular brand, so he can never ask for any query. So that is easy to launch a new product if our brand is particularly established. So, this is the topic of today. The rest of all will be discussed in the next video. Bye-bye.